Press room optimization. Let us look on how to be a smart print shop. Production scheduling is one of the key factors to making this happen. Machine downtime, non-productive working time, is the biggest problem customers are facing today. The scheduling of the press and the press room for peak performance and profitability is of high importance. These important factors are as follows. Printing sequence. Is the job for color process? Are you adding additional Pantone colors? If you are, is the wash-up program optimized? Heidelberg now has a Wash Assistant Pro. This functions for the rollers, the blankets and the impression cylinders, including the coating unit, which can be input into the job make ready when changing over from one job to the next. This is saving valuable minutes. If you run many Pantone colors, you may have thought of introducing the Multicolor 7 into your workflow. Try and keep the printing material as standardized as possible by size, paper type, coating, UV or aqueous, as many of our customers have mixed operation presses to try and schedule without causing too much downtime with washing up. Standardization and job preparation is the key factor which leads us into the press operator and the press helper organizing their production list for the working day. This is where teamwork plays an important role in productivity. Printing materials should be labeled and identified ready to the press. Plates should be bent and staged at the press. Loading jobs into the job memory into the IntelliStart queue for creating your job list and for your job changeover. The job memory preparation screen. This is in the Press Center 3 screen. We can now be configured to your own personal preferences or requirements. Color, stock, size, side guide, availability of plates, planned printing order. This all helps the original point of scheduling. With all of these software functions that we have available on our range of Heidelberg presses, it still has to be taken into consideration that not all businesses are run the same way. Your standard operating procedures come into effect. Not all smart print shops are hang and bang with 35 sheet make readies. So the navigated or the autonomous route is there whichever way you need to apply it. The press operator can simply navigate his way through the job memory, and this with the help of the filter function, or just as easily highlighting the desired job, and with a few touches of the Press Center 3, multiple signatures can be loaded in just a few touches. As we can see here on selecting multiple forms rather than loading one section at a time. The entire job is now loaded into the IntelliStart list. Your job projection list is now building nicely, and the IntelliStart list, and with the process we can now see from seamlessly running from one job to the next, minimizing non-productive working time. All of these functions are here to make your smart print shop smarter. If you have any questions, please contact us at info@heidelberg.com.